All right, y'all, just added. Wait a minute, baby. What just happened? You just had to bring me my tax? When did you just got this today? As I'm doing the episode, get the tax. That's the tax. That's the Thailand tax. My first year paying tax. The truth about Thailand taxes 2026 edition. I'm looking at the forums, I'm reading the Facebook groups, and I'm seeing something I haven't seen in Thailand in 5 years. Pure, unfiltered panic. People ask me, Travel OG, is the Thai Revenue Department coming for my pension? Travel OG, I'm on the DTV visa. Do I owe 35% on my crypto? Travel OG, I've been here 6 months. Am I in trouble? The golden era of being an invisible expat in Thailand is over. The days of flying under the radar, living here for years on tourist visas, and never telling the government a thing about your money, that door has closed. But does that mean it's time to pack your bags and move to Vietnam or the Philippines? Does that mean your dream is dead? Absolutely not. Today, I'm going to cut through the fear-mongering. I'm going to explain exactly what the 2026 tax rules mean for you, whether you're a retiree, a digital nomad on a DTV, or just a guy trying to enjoy his life. I'm going to tell you the one mistake that will get you flagged and the street smart way to handle your business. It's Richie Mack. Welcome to the show. Let's get into the money. First, you have to understand why this is happening. Thailand didn't just wake up and decide to annoy you. This is global pressure. Thailand has joined something called the CRS, the Common Reporting Standard. In plain English, it means the banks now talk to the IRS. They talk to the UK taxman, they talk to Australia. The computers are linked. For a long time, Thailand was the wild, wild west. You could bring cash in, spend it, and nobody asked questions. But Thailand wants to sit at the big boy table now. They want to be a first world player. And part of that means tracking the money. So, rule number 1, stop thinking you can hide. If you can open a Thai bank account in 2026, assume your home country knows about it. Transparency is the new currency. But transparency doesn't exactly mean that you owe them money. It just means you can't lie about it. Here's the number one thing confusing everyone. And I get this question in my DMs every single day. People say, but Rich, I got a DTV visa. I have a retirement visa. My visa says I can stay. Here is the hard truth. Immigration is not the revenue department. Your visa lets you sit your body in the country. That's it. Taxes are determined by a simple math equation, the 180-day rule. If you are physically present in Thailand for 180 days or more in a calendar year, that's January 1st to December 31st, you are a tax resident, period. It doesn't matter if you're on a DTV, a standard tourist visa, or if you're married to a Thai national. If you stay 179 days, you are a ghost, you owe nothing. If you stay 180 days, welcome to the system. You're now responsible for following Thai tax law. Now, this scares people. They think, oh no, I'm a tax resident. They're going to take 35% of my Social Security. Relax, take a breath. Being a tax resident just means you're on the list. It doesn't automatically mean you owe a check because Thailand operates on a system called Remittance. And this is where you win or lose. In the US, you get taxed on everything you make everywhere in the world. Thailand is different. Thailand is a territorial tax system with a twist. Generally speaking, Thailand taxes foreign income only if you bring it into Thailand. Let's use a hypothetical guy named, Dave. Dave makes $5,000 a month from his online business in the US. The money lands in his Chase bank account in New York. Does Thailand tax that? No, because it hasn't touched Thai soil. Dave uses his U.S. credit card to buy dinner in Bangkok. He uses his Charles Schwab card to pull out cash from the ATM. Is that taxable? It's a gray area, but historically, no. That's spending, not remittance. But here is where Dave screws up. Dave decides to wire $50,000 from New York directly into his Bangkok bank account to buy a condo or a car. Boom! That's remittance. That money just crossed the border. And if Dave has been here 180 days, the revenue department says, that's income. Pay us. There used to be a loophole where if you waited a year, it was tax-free. That loophole is gone for 2026. If you bring foreign income in, it's fair game. For example, every month I pay my mortgage. I wire in money to a Thai bank account. I'm probably gonna get taxed on that money.
Zoom fest. Zoom fest.
Now, before I tell you the solution, I want to tell you the best way to expand that money before your tax man touches it. Zoom Fest 2026. We're going to Japan, Taiwan, Vietnam, and Thailand. We're talking yachts, 5-star hotels, and the best community on the planet. If you want to live the life I'm living, you need to be in this room. We're locking in the itinerary now, and spots are filling up. Stop watching the life on screen and come live it. Link is in the description. So what's the strategy? How do you survive in 2026? Option 1, the snowbird. Don't stay 180 days. Spend 5 months here, go to Vietnam for a month, go to Japan for a month, keep your footprint small. Option number 2, the high roller. If you have the cash, look at the LTR visa, long-term resident. One of the specific perks written into the law for the LTR is exemption from tax on overseas income. It costs money to get, but it saves you headaches. And option number 3, get professional help. I'm not a CPA. I'm a content creator who lives the life. But I know when to call in the pros. If you're moving serious money, pensions, crypto, business sales, do not guess. I've navigated this for 5 years. I've set up the insurance, the visas, the bank accounts. If you want to know exactly how I did it, or you need to refer to lawyers I trust, book a one-on-one consultation with me. I've saved guys $10,000 just by having a 30-minute conversation. Don't be cheap with your freedom. The bottom line is this. Thailand is still the best place in the world to meet. You just have to be smarter than the average tourist. Don't let the fear win. Get the facts, get the plan, and get over here. This is Richie Mack, the Travel OG. If you like what I'm doing, make sure to like, subscribe, tell a friend, or share the video. And other than that, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Like and subscribe, Zoom Tribe. If you feel the Zoom vibe, Zoom Tribe, dig it. On the content, hit the like button, subscribe button, touching, boy, it ain't nothing. Richie Mack bringing you the latest and the greatest. His content A1, ain't nobody better than music, visuals, and baby, don't forget the editing. Nobody can fade us. Hit the like, subscribe, and notifications for all of y'all. You dig? You dig? You dig?
Hallelujah.
All right, y'all, just added. Wait a minute, baby. What just happened? You just had to bring me my tax? When did you just got this today? As I'm doing the episode, I get the tax. That's the tax. That's the Thailand tax. My first year paying tax for 2025. And how much do I got to pay him, Noodle? 2,000.
2310 and man have
2,315.
and
So 2,400 baht. That's roughly about 60 something dollars. Dude, as I'm doing the tax video, I get my tax. So welcome to Thailand. Here it is. My first year is 2025. There it go. You see that symbol? You know what that means right there.